Hi, how are you? My name is Tara, and many of you already know me. For those of you that don't, I have been a Reiki practitioner, Reiki master since 2005. So, Reiki is the correspondence of relaxation, of restoring energy balance, of strengthening the immune system, and assisting and healing and promoting mental health. It is a universal life force energy that was introduced to the world by a remarkably fascinating man by the name of Sensei Mikao Yusi. And he had over 2,000 people that he attuned with the sacred symbols to the energy levels of Reiki 1, 2, and 3, and then Master. He had passed away, leaving only 7 practitioners. At a time period in the early 1900s, a woman by the name of Hawayo Takata, who is known as the mother of Reiki, brought it from the Eastern traditions to the West and re-established Reiki to be associated with Jesus Christ and not with Buddhism, opening up a very receptive relationship with the Reiki healing within the Christian community. This is a healing modality that works within the chakra field, within the energy system of your own body. It is a natural way to promote balance and harmony, to promote rejuvenation of blood cells and decrease inflammation, and to remove and alleviate all stress and anxiety. That is why Reiki sessions can run anywhere from $55 to $85 for a 30-minute session. I have chosen to go ahead and incorporate Reiki healing circles every second Saturday night of the month for a very, very small fraction of that cost. This current idea was formulated in order to allow for everybody to get the opportunity to experience Reiki at least once in their lives, to find out how that energy feels for you and if it's something that you want to go ahead and get involved in. If you want to join a Reiki practitioner healing circle, please join the website, www.thevibrationelevation.com. There's a big page on all about Reiki and an ability to join a healing circle for this upcoming month. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye.